Control, this is Dark Star. How do you read?
Dark Star Control loud and clear. How me?
Loud and clear. Takeoff pre-checks complete. Ready for
APU start.
Ready lift engine start. Ready right engine start. Fellas for taxi. We are ready for taxi.
Tower, this is Dark Star. We are taxiing with Information Alpha.
Dark Star, you're clear to taxi. Runway 21. Winds 21010.
Okay, fuel temps are looking good.
Control concurs.
Battery's holding at 95%. Cabin pressure looks good.
Control concurs.
Tower, this is Dark Star. We're ready for takeoff. Requesting an unrestricted climb to 600 and above.
Dark Star, the runway and skies are yours.
Rear Admiral Chester Kane.
Maverick. Kane just pulled up to the gate. It's not too late to stop, buddy. You know what happens to you if you go through with this.
I know what happens to everyone else if I don't.
Dark Star is ready for takeoff.
Everyone, go for takeoff. Starting with engine.
Engine, go.
Thermals, go.
Fuel, go. Electric, go.
Control surfaces, go.
Dark Star, control, we're clear for takeoff.
Nice, sweetheart. One last ride.
Dark Star, you are cleared above 600. Increase to Mach 3.5.
Cleared above 600. Increase to Mach 3.5.